It don't happen from the table of Jesse Jones and Number Entertainment where the number 12 Palace Street at Jegula Papa Lagos, producer of Queen Teresa Noha. Produce Spider Ododo. Sister Pet one more. Madam Lada, follow the ladder to heaven. Hey, I go follow the ladder go heaven, Sebo. Another chat buster. Obonge new this CD of Madam Lada. Now waiting be this. Make una consio. See the man where cut in tongue. Throw him for fire. Because he didn't know enter hell fire. Make una consio this girl. This girl uncle. She cut him hand throw him for fire self. Hey, this one not trouble. Trouble tire up for this VCD. Not true now. He said my hand go put me for inside fire. I go cut him. Throw him for fire. First. Yes, my brother, my sister. This one they come up from Jesse Jones and Number. In the Salamo. And if I want to package on a home video CD, make on a bringa. We go shoot a owner, edit a owner. We go on deliver the master to owner. It's all about owner. Now Jesse Jones and Number and the pass this message to owner.
Health of the sick, Arikendaria. Spiritual and herbal home. Spiritual native herbal roots. Spiritual and herbal flower. Achieving solutions is our motto. We treat all kinds of sickness and spiritual problems such as ulcer, asthma, epilepsy, stroke, malaria and typhoid, rheumatism, high blood pressure, any type of old wound, treatment of any type of infections, low sperm count, both man and woman, all kinds of poison like atuere or enyure, belt or abakurimaho, fibroid, achieving women menstruation before and after menopause, stomach trouble and painful menstruation, stoling of blood, all kinds of tooth pains, throat guttering, continuous etuketu or akbo etuketu, pile of all kinds, miscarriage treatment, all spiritual problems such as progress in business, all kinds of madness, achieving your husband, movement of objects in the body, constant headache, stopping of bad dreams. You can contact Health of the Sick on these numbers 080-332-59683 or 081-208-07244 or 070-898-93021. Protection, protection, protection. Protection from all kinds of poison such as pin, ntutu, agbakurime ahụ, belt, atụere or enyure, matching of poison, constant headache, okere mgbawa isi, and etc. etc. Some of these treatments will be achieved within a week or 3 months. Health of the sick. Ahụike ndị ọrịa.
Thank you.